Hey everyone, welcome back to Spencer Outdoors. Today we are installing wave slat, single wall, bottom locking privacy slats in this 5-foot black length chain fence. These slats not only provide privacy, but they also add a clean finished look to your fence. So let's get started. So for this project, we're going to be using the wave slat privacy slats, which come in 9 different colors. We went with black to match this fence. These slats are designed to fit 4-foot, 8-foot chain length fences using the bottom locking system to stay in place. Each bag covers about 10 feet of fencing, so make sure you calculate how many you need before you start. So the first step is to install the bottom locking channel. This is what holds the slat securely in place. You want to lay it along the bottom of the fence and make sure it's straight before you begin inserting the slats. Now it's time for these slats. These wave slats are designed to be inserted from the top and slide down into the bottom, locking into the channel. Just guide the slat through the mesh of the fence, making sure it follows the natural curve of the chain link. Got any tips for us here, Adam?
You know, it could be a lot worse. Pretty simple. A little bit slow maybe, but pretty simple. When you get down to the bottom, just want to guide it in there to the bottom plastic piece, a little groove in there. You just want to push it down in there where you hear a snap. Just like that, and it's in there. All right, so when you get down in the bottom strip, you just want to measure from the bottom, see how high the slats are, so you're not sticking up above the fence. And then you do the same method as you are on the vertical slat. Just slide them all in there just like that. Get the gardener out here to get the grass off the fence.
I'm gonna start paying him better. Invest in some Roundup. Once all the slats are installed, just take a step back and check for any gaps or misalignment. If needed, just adjust them to make sure everything looks even. As you can see, these wave slats make a huge difference, not only for privacy, but also for giving this fence a nice finished look. And that's it. A simple way to upgrade your chain length fence with a wave slat privacy slats. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more outdoor projects and DIY tips. Thank you guys for watching Spencer Outdoors, and we'll see you next time.